and gentlemen, a very good evening. You're watching a brand new episode of The Breaking Ground, and remember, it's not vote jihad anymore. Vote jihad is something that the entire parties that believe that they are secular have already crossed, because this time it's come down to the boycott of the BJP. There is a fatwa to vote against the BJP. Now, just remember yesterday, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, you would recall, had made it very clear, very clear that all Muslims, all Muslims need to unite. But today, this time, it is far more ahead because they want to boycott all those also who vote for the BJP. The story on your screens is about the utter chaos, the utter confusion, and if this is not communalization of a poll, what is? Why has, this entire narrative come down to a Hindu versus a Muslim? People like Uddhav Thackeray, people like Sharad Pawar, Rahul Gandhi, I won't say, because multiple times, remember, you've heard a lot of Sanatan slander, a lot of Sanatan hate that has actually come in from Congress and its allies. Sharad Pawar today again has a problem with the Gerua that Yogi Adityanath wears. Mallikarjun Kharge the other day had called him an Atanki. Congress, finger on the lips. Uddhav Thackeray, finger on the lips. The same Uddhav Thackeray who today has not been able to ensure that a Rahul Gandhi comes forward to say that yes, Bala Saheb Thackeray was the real Hindu Hriday Samrat. And that is the day today leveled in both by the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. They say, can Uddhav Thackeray convince Rahul Gandhi to praise Veer Savarkar? Can he laud the achievements of a Veer Savarkar? Can he ensure that Rahul Gandhi praises Bala Saheb Thackeray? The answer, like they say, is blowing in the winds, ladies and gentlemen. Without wasting time, I want to bring forward our top 5 questions at 5. These are that will explain to you why this entire narrative that has been driven to a Hindu versus Muslim is getting very dangerous. But allow me a few seconds, because I want you to hear in also what the Prime Minister has said in this open dare that he is leveled at Uddhav Thackeray, the man today who is as secular as the Congress, the man today who has a pseudo-secularism that he practices, a man who has no problem with Sanatan hate anymore.
मुंबई तो बाला साहब ठाकरे के सिद्धांतों का शहर है। मुंबई स्वाभिमान का शहर है, लेकिन अगाड़ी में एक ऐसा दल है जिसने बाला साहब का अपमान करने वाली कांग्रेस के हाथ में अपना रिमोट कंट्रोल दे दिया है। और इसलिए मैंने इन्हें चुनौती दी थी कि कांग्रेस के मुंह से, कांग्रेस के शहजादे के मुंह से बाला साहब ठाकरे की प्रशंसा के लिए कुछ बात जरा बुलवा के दिखा दीजिए। अरे एक बार तो कांग्रेस के शहजादे से मुंह से निकलवाइए, हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे।
Let's get you this big breaking update. Like I said at the beginning of the show, ladies and gentlemen, it's no longer just vote jihad. This is a complete hatred for Narendra Modi. Look at what the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has said, making an appeal to all Muslims and to those who are against Narendra Modi.
जो मालूम है, लोकसभा के इलेक्शन में आपके कुछ लोगों ने बीजेपी का साथ दिया था, ऐसे लोगों का हुक्का पानी बंद होना चाहिए, ऐसे लोगों का सोशल बाइकआउट होना चाहिए, ऐसे लोगों से सलाम दुआ बंद होनी चाहिए। क्या बेशरम लोग हैं। मस्जिदों को शहीद करने वालों का तुम साथ दे रहे हो, मस्जिदों पर बुलडोजर चलाने वालों का तुम साथ दे रहे हो। कह दो कि हमारा नाम अब मुसलमानों का नाम नहीं है, हम आज से घनश्याम दास हैं, कह दो, ऐलान करो।
So Numani ji is saying कि ऐलान करिए. Ab look at how the story really has moved. I want to bring forward our top 5 questions at 5 before we get in our panelists to, respond to those questions that I'm sure that you must also be worried about. Will Rahul Gandhi, ladies and gentlemen, forget everything else? Will he accept this simple dare by Prime Minister Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah? The second question up on your screens. What is this dare about? Can Rahul Gandhi praise Bala Saheb Thackeray? Can he say that Bala Saheb Thackeray was the true Hindu Hriday Samrat? Can Rahul Gandhi say this? Does Uddhav Thackeray still believe that Rahul Gandhi can say this? Can he praise Veer Savarkar? The same Veer Savarkar who, remember, he had criticized in Maharashtra during his Bharat Jodo Yatra. But Uddhav Thackeray could not say a single word, and the alliance with the Congress has continued in spite of that. The third question now, is Uddhav Thackeray okay with Sharad Pawar saying that Yogi Adityanath is quote-unquote communal? Sharad Pawar says Yogi Adityanath is communal. Is Uddhav okay with that? Kharge had called him an Atanki. Is that also now okay for an Uddhav Thackeray? Has he accepted that he has zero voice, he hates Sanatan, he hates the saffron robe, and that is why for him also Yogi Adityanath is communal? This brings us to our next question that's going to go up on your screens. Is vote jihad, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest flashpoint this election season? Because the Congress and the entire alliance there has given up the fight for the Hindu votes. They know that they are not getting it. It is just about the Musalman vote, the M factor. Is that all that now matters to Uddhav Thackeray, to Sharad Pawar, to Rahul Gandhi? Is this the Mohabbat ki dukaan? Again and again and again, we remind you. This brings us to our final question now. Right from a Muslim quota demand to the All India Muslim Personal Law Board saying all Musalman ek saath ho jao, to now, to them also saying कि जो मोदी को सपोर्ट करता है, मोदी के लिए वोट करता है, उसका बहिष्कार करिए. Look at what they say. They say जो मोदी को सपोर्ट करता है, उसका बहिष्कार करिए. Isn't Uddhav Thackeray now guilty of aligning with those who've called Hindutva Pakhand? Just a dhong, just a facade. Let's quickly say good evening to our panel of guests joining us. We have Asif Bhamla, who represents the BJP on the show. Deshratan Nigamji is a noted lawyer. Nikul Patel is representing the Congress. Chandrasekhar Jhaji is the Shiv Sena UBT spokesperson. And Vijay Lakshmi represents the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. And Nikul, let's begin by asking you, will you praise Veer Savarkar? Will you say that Bala Saheb Thackeray is the true Hindu Hriday Samrat? बोलेंगे ये? आप बोलेंगे? राहुल गांधी बोलेंगे?
See, everyone in the history who had done contributed for the development of the country has to be appreciated, whether it is Bala Saheb Thackeray or Veer Savarkar. Everyone has its own contribution. Now, when it comes to Maharashtra election, Bharatiya Janata Party wants to definitely polarize the entire election by stating such unwanted statement into the political speeches. Actually, Bharatiya Janata Party had realized that during Lok Sabha election, they were not able to find its footpath on the Maharashtra floor, and that is why now they want to do all this activity. If you are telling that only Muslims are voting for Maha Aghadi, then I would like to condemn your statement, because if out of 48, 30 Lok Sabha seats were won by...
Will you condemn a Sharad Pawar statement today? Will you condemn a Mallikarjun Kharge statement today? Will you condemn what the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has said, Nikul? The answer is no. Because the All India Muslim Personal Law Board till about yesterday was saying कि सब मुसलमान एक साथ हो जाइए. एक साथ हो जाइए, मोदी को वोट नहीं देना है. Today they say कि ये तो छोड़ दीजिए, जो मोदी को सपोर्ट देगा उसको भी आप बॉयकॉट करिए. निकुल, that is your secularism?
Would Modi form an alliance with Congress? No, because no one will form the alliance.
So you will boycott those who are Modi supporters. Really, is this democracy?
You are making a wrong perception. It is not boycotting Narendra Modi. It is the policies which are formed by Bharatiya Janata Party against.
Hang on. Now what we'll do is we'll try and see if we can play out the Numani reaction once more. No, Nikul, we've had this enough. Media cannot be used as a pawn. If the Congress is guilty, the Congress
has
will
boycotted
have
Modi.
to
Are you
respond to
agreeing
that charge.
People
Since
boycotted
yesterday,
Modi.
has
Are
the
you
Congress
agreeing
put
with
out an
Lok Sabha
official
election?
statement condemning that remark? Has Rahul Gandhi
Are you
said,
agreeing
stay
that
away?
people
Has Rahul Gandhi
people
said,
have
All India
rejected
Muslim
Modi
Personal
and
Law
now
Board
they have
must
to
stay
form an
away
NDA
because they have
government?
nothing to do with politics? Listen into
No,
what
no, are
Nomani
you
said,
agreeing that-
Nicole, listen into what he said. Then I will ask you to respond.
मुझे मालूम है लोकसभा के इलेक्शन में आपके कुछ लोगों ने बीजेपी का साथ दिया था। ऐसे लोगों का हुक्का पानी बंद होना चाहिए, ऐसे लोगों का सोशल बाइकआउट होना चाहिए, ऐसे लोगों से सलाम दुआ बंद होनी चाहिए। क्या 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 बेशरम लोग हैं। मस्जिदों को शहीद करने वालों का तुम साथ दे रहे हो, मस्जिदों पर बुलडोजर चलाने वालों का तुम साथ दे रहे हो। कह दो कि हमारा नाम अब मुसलमानों का नाम नहीं है, हम आज से घनश्याम दास हैं, कह दो, ऐलान करो।
बोलिए निकुल, ऐलान करेंगे आप? जिन लोगों ने मोदी का सपोर्ट दिया है, जिन लोगों ने मोदी को सपोर्ट किया है, मोदी के लिए वोट किया है, उनका हुक्का पानी बंद हो जाना चाहिए। यू मैनेज टू स्माइल, यू मैनेज टू स्माइल। आई एम सरप्राइज्ड यू आर नॉट अघास्ट.
See, again, I would like to say, would Modi is ready to form a government with Congress after
Forget
this
that.
election
Do
result?
not deflect the
No,
question,
I will say
Nicole.
no, because both
Nicole, you
ideologies are
have
different.
zero
People
condemnation
of
for what you've
Congress have
heard.
always worked
No,
for
you
the
have zero
larger
condemnation
interest
from
of
what
this
you've
country.
heard from the All
You
India
want to
Muslim
build a wrong
Personal Law Board.
perception and
Are they
they
your
will not
ally?
allow you to
Are they
do
your
that.
ally?
Never will not
Is
allow
the
you
All
to
India
build a
Muslim
wrong
Personal
perception.
Law Board now a
Maharashtra
Congress's
people know
ally?
very well
Let
what
me
they
get
have
it,
to
Vijay
do,
Lakshmi ji.
and
Vijay
they have
Lakshmi ji.
voted to the right
Vijay
people in
Lakshmi
Lok
ji.
Sabha
The All
election.
India Muslim
They-
Personal Law Board is an ally of Sharad
Modi
Pawar.
rejected
It's an ally of Rahul Gandhi. It's an ally of Uddhav Thackeray now.
See, what I believe is if somebody as senior as Sharad Pawar Sahib makes a statement, it is incumbent upon each and every political person, because his contribution towards the field of politics is not only limited to the state of Maharashtra, but is gone beyond the state of Maharashtra. He is a national political leader, a force to reckon with. If somebody like him makes a statement, it is incumbent upon the young generations, upon the young political leaders to sit up and take cognizance. Now, if
Which
somebody-
world, Vijay Lakshmi ji, with no disrespect meant to you, are you living in? Are you saying ki
Very much in the same
people
world,
like
in the
Sharad
same
Pawar
world,
can say
even
what they
in the
say,
same-
and
the
Asif
same-
Bhamla
in the
ji,
same
to
world,
you,
in the
to
same
me,
world
to
that you are
Deshakar
living in.
Nigam ji, to
We
people who
all
do
say
not
we
agree with
share
Sharad
the same
Pawar should
world.
be penalized.
No, we
People
share
who
the
vote for
same world.
Narendra Modi must be penalized.
No, BJP has what BJP has done. Yeah, it has only indulged into divisive politics. It has gone.
What
to
are you
break
doing?
political
What is the All
parties.
India Muslim Personal Law Board doing right now with Sharad Pawar, Rahul Gandhi and Uddhav Thackeray? Can you tell me?
See, if BJP wants to stoop down to that level, that is BJP's lookout. But my thing is, if somebody as senior as him makes a statement, the young leaders ought to sit up and take cognizance.
So you're giving that message, you're giving that message to the likes of Rahul Gandhi, you're giving that message to the likes of Uddhav Thackeray. I have no interest in you sending these overt messages to your own people there in the alliance. But what I'm more concerned about is that how you've cleverly deflected what the All India Muslim Personal Law Board has said.
It is not.
But then,
It is not about deflecting
no,
anything.
Vijay Lakshmi ji, who's the All India Muslim Personal Law Board to tell Musliman कि एक साथ हो जाइए? Who's the All India Muslim Personal Law Board to tell people कि जिन्होंने मोदी के खिलाफ वोट दिया था उनका हुक्का पानी बंद होना चाहिए?
How does it justify? I think the clip that you showed did not say hookah pani, if I'm not mistaken.
What are you saying? We just played that out twice at least.
Replay it. I think I must have missed it. If
We
you said
can
hookah pani band
replay
hona
this,
chahiye.
ma'am, hundreds of times. It does not change. Tell me you are embarrassed. Tell me you do not agree with this kind of politics. Take a stand. But you're not even doing that. But Chandrasekhar
Because this is the
Jhaji,
kind of politics that
Chandrasekhar Jhaji, you represent the Shiv Sena UBT faction. अब आपकी तो मजबूरी थी सर. मजबूरी इतनी हो गई है that today you have accepted the support of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board.
See, none of the letters, none of the things have shown any support towards us or support towards anybody. It is very clear that they are speaking against BJP and they are showing their grudges against BJP. And they are not hitting on any opposition party or any party particularly except BJP. And there is nothing left with them to show except for the grudges what they are showing and they are telling on the media as well as on their
No, you are okay. You are okay with the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, sir. That is a umbrella Muslim body getting into politics, fielding for you, becoming your ally. You are perfectly okay with this. This is what Hindu Hriday Samrat Bala Saheb Thackeray must have wanted.
It is not peculiarly saying that it is an umbrella for us. It is an umbrella which has been established by BJP, and that the BJP umbrella division of politics is going to hit them, and that grudge is being shown by this community. And except that, there is nothing, no statement which is coming that we are taking their part out. We are.
No, what are you saying? Just 24 hours earlier, the same man said this in as many words. कि किसको वोट देना है, कैंडिडेट्स के नाम लेकर बोले गए हैं. आदित्य ठाकरे जी का नाम भी उस लिस्ट में है. Very, very clearly he has said this. Today he's gone a step ahead because today he says कि जिन्होंने भी नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए वोट किया है ना चंद्रशेखर जी, उनका हुक्का पानी बंद होना चाहिए.
But eventually they are showing grudges against BJP because of their.
But why do you need them? Why do you need them? Why do you need their support?
This grudge is being shown by this community because BJP.
Why does the Hindu Hriday Samrat Bala Saheb Thackeray's party, if you believe that you still own that legacy, Chandrasekhar Jhaji, why do you need their support?
No, we don't say or we don't show support to this kind of words. But eventually, who has raised the fingers on Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray? It was PM Modi and it was Mr. Amit Shah, saying that he has some antecedents with regard to.
So you are replying. This is your reply. This is your reply to the Prime Minister's dare to Rahul Gandhi. Asif, I now want you to jump into this conversation right away. You are guilty. You are the genesis of all these problems.
I am surprised. I am surprised that I am the official spokesperson of the BJP and I am getting last to speak on my own Prime Minister. And it's very unfortunate, but since you've given me a chance, I would like you to not intervene and give me a fair chance so that I can put across my views. Firstly, let me tell you that that this so-called Sajjad Nomani, who claims to be a minority leader, I don't know. Have they taken a mandate of the votes and the community by and large, or have they taken the community at ransom? I am a Muslim. I believe in Islam. I also do namaz. I have my own rituals. That doesn't mean that if I'm supporting the BJP, I can be thrown out from my religion. Who the hell is he to dictate that X should be in the religion or Y should be in the religion? इनका मजहब कितना पक्का है? ये 5 टाइम नमाज पढ़ते हैं, दाढ़ी रखते हैं, टोपी रखते हैं, तो क्या यही मुकम्मल मुसलमान है? हम भी मुसलमान हैं, हम नमाज पढ़ते हैं, हम दाढ़ी नहीं रख रहे हैं, हम टोपी पहन के नहीं घूम रहे. इसका मतलब हमारे अंदर कोई अखिलियत के कोई कमी, हमारे दिल में कोई खुदाए पाक रसूल के लिए कोई दर्द कम है? Why do these people, and then it is these people, the so-called pseudo-secular people who have taken them for ransom, who use them, इनको सर पे पिटाकर बैठते और ये बोलते आप X को सपोर्ट करिए, Y को सपोर्ट करिए. अरे आप कौन होते हो? You are disintegrating candidates assembly wise and saying कि आप इसको करो. अरे हमने तो इस देश में गंगा जमुना तहजीब में पड़े हुए, यहाँ पर हम हिंदू भी बह जाते हैं, मुसलमान भी रहते हैं. लोगों में नफरत फैलाने का काम आप शुरू करते हो. फिर जब कोई भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रवक्ता वर्गलाया जाता है और जब वो कुछ कहते हैं तो कहते हो मोदी कम्युनल है. अरे मोदी जी तो कहते हैं एक हाथ में कुरान रखिए, एक हाथ में कंप्यूटर है, तो ये आप क्यों नहीं बोलते? आप ये भी बोलिए ना. अच्छा, जहां तक रही शिवसेना की बात, I have never heard. You see, even Ajit Pawar has joined the alliance very late, and lastly, even he, being an alliance partner, may not agree to 4 or 5 issues. But moreover, he has always praised the Prime Minister. He's always commended the credibility of the Prime Minister. आज ये लोग भी alliance partner है ना. मैंने कभी नहीं सुना कांग्रेसियों के मुंह से अरे बाला साहब ठाकरे ने यार एक विशाल नेता थे, एक हिंदू हृदय सम्राट थे. छोड़िए, हिंदू हृदय सम्राट ही मत बोलिए. आप ये तो बोल ही सकते हो ना कि भाई एक महान शख्सियत थी. आज हम भी आदर करते हैं, हर पार्टी आदर करती है उनका. जरूर उद्धव जी और शिवसेना.
It's a valid question. It's a valid question that was asked to the Congress's Nikul Patel, and I'm sure you must have heard his response. I want to get in Deshratan Nikamji before Chandrasekhar Jha also jumps back into this conversation, because Jha Sahab, this is a question that will be asked of you again and again. कि just to save his own identity, Uddhav Thackeray has made a compromise that perhaps is going to cost him his entire political future. But how low? अब मुसलमानों के वोट की आपको इतनी जरूरत हो गई है. देशरतन निगम जी, look at the irony. Is this not against the Representation of People's Act? Is this not against our Samvidhan? The same Samvidhan Rahul Gandhi is flashing every day in and out. We don't even know whether that's the real Samvidhan or it is a blank, constitution book that he's holding. Is this not anti-constitution?
Absolutely, yes. Let you who's a constitutional expert. I think I'm only the constitutional expert on this panel. The anti-Hindu nature of some of the political parties is considered being too sectarian, which is anti-constitutional. And that is what is being propagated, minority appeasement and only catering to the Muslim vote. The contributions of Veer Savarkar and Balasaheb Thackeray is negated in Indian politics, whereas they were the ones who tried to, make India great, both of them in their own respective times, and especially prior to independence, when so many restrictions were there and he was jailed off. The fact remains that, let us come to Sharad Pawar. Not the first time. He called the Balakot strike as an attack on Jammu and Kashmir. Remember that?
Yes.
He tried to make the bomb blast, serial bomb blast in Mumbai as secular bomb blast, not by Muslims. He invented the 12th blast when there were only 11 blasts in 1993, and he called that was a 12th blast, imaginary blast that the Hindus created. He supported the Congress party who created saffron terrorism. So there is a series and chain of events to point out the communal nature of politics in India. And this is where even today Sharad Pawar has said and used that All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Nomani, clearly said, "Hukka pani band kar do, social boycott karo in logon ka."
Yes.
So these people should be behind bars. And
this is
links
a dhamki.
of
This is a
Sharad Pawar
dhamki that has not been condemned by anyone. Whether it is the NCP, Sharad Pawar faction, whether it is the Shiv Sena, UBT faction, or whether it is the Congress. And Asif and Deshratan Nigamji, this is for everyone to see. For everyone to see, only for one of time. But we'll continue to track that story. I'm thanking Vijay Lakshmi for her time and all gentlemen also, as we'll continue to figure out whether now the All India Muslim Personal Law Board is a new ally for the Congress, for Sharad Pawar and for Uddhav Thackeray in Maharashtra. Watch this space. On the other side, back with more.